Hey beautiful people, my name is Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping back again. And if you're new to my channel, hey girl, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of this beautiful wig. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, how I got it together, so on and so forth, stay tuned. But before you leave, please remember to give the video a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll never miss an upload, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Hey guys, it's Michelle. So I'm here today with my cornrows because I'm going to do a wig review. Alright, so before we get started, the name of the company is called Fabawigs. Alrighty. This one that I'm going to be doing a review today, it's Chestnut Brown. Chestnut Brown is a color. 13 by 6 lace, and it's 180% density, and it's 14 inches. So we're going to be trying it out today. Fabawigs was kind enough to send me this wig, so we're going to put on our lace what is this, our wig cap. This one has like a hole in it, but I did get some wig caps with this in this bag, but I figure let's just use what we're using. So like I said, it comes in this nice satin bag. Inside of the bag you get the so I haven't tried it on. I was waiting so I can do that with you guys. This video is not going to be very long, but I just want to show you guys how it looks just coming out of the packet. So this is how it looks. It's like a chestnut brownish color. Hairline looks, looks pretty decent here. Okay, it has an adjustable band. Inside there's one comb here on this side and one comb here, comb here, comb here, comb in the nape, adjustable straps here that you could use also, and the band. So let's just put it on our head and see how it looks. Color is nice though. Alrighty, so we're gonna have to flat iron it and all that stuff. So what I'll do is I'm gonna go off camera and just cut off this wig, not the wig, the lace, and then I'll come back. Okay guys, so we haven't cut off the lace as yet, so let me just fix this part here. Let me just make the part a little bit more defined. I like how the cap feels. It feels very snug. So I have my the cap feels very snug. The hairline, I think I did a really good job with the hairline. Look at it. See it? Can do a little bit of tweezing, but it's not bad at all. Let me use my wax stick a little bit here. I think the color looks good on me. The color suit me, it fit me bad. And I just did this makeup look just in case you guys are wondering This video will be posted soon for this makeup look. All right, so alrighty, let's try to get this little part that we had right there out. All right, and then I'll just okay guys, so I cut off my lace. Right now I'm just going to use my foundation brush or my foundation powder just to color the lace a little bit. You know, it's looking a little pale. And I'm going to make sure I put it in the center so that it can color, you know, the center parts. It feels very snug and I like that. I think I need a little bit of color on this part of the lace too. Okay. I'm liking how it's feeling. It's feeling very, very snuggy. I'm just putting the back comb in. I'm not putting the sides because I would like to keep my edges, right? So let's just use this powder and just color this foundation a little bit around the hairline. I'm really liking how this is feeling, guys. And then, you know, I have to wet it and put my stuff in there, so the lace almost blending with my skin. Okay, so I'm gonna use a little bit of my foundation and just open up this part just a little bit. Foundation, concealer I should say. This wig is supposed to be glueless, guys, so I'm not gonna glue it down. Okay, that's better, right? Much better. This is how it looks just out with nothing on there. Right? Let me turn around so you could see it, and then before I do anything to it, then I can just wet it. So let's look from the side. That's how it looks in the back. Right? So let's put some water on it and see how the curls perform. Okay, we're gonna wet one side. All right, it's very soft. I just want you to see how it looks on one side. Just a little wet. Okay. Not like soaking wet, but it looks pretty. And I can always add some mousse to it. It makes it look a little bit darker once you... I like how the lace is like blending in really well with my skin. Like you can barely see it. Okay guys, this is how it looks after I just added some water to it. No products. What I'm going to do now is just take my Nairobi mousse. I have a little bit in the bottle. And I'm just going to put a little bit right here. And I'm going to do a slight amount of baby hair, okay? Just slight. All right, just a little bit right here. Okay. All right. And then we'll just put on the melting band for like a few minutes. All right, so we'll leave this on for a second and we'll put a little bit of mousse at the top. Just to smooth her out a little bit. And I'm just gonna scrunch it up so it doesn't look as flat. The natural curls are nice. So I don't want to put too much and take away from the natural curls. Okay, so let me turn around so you could see how it looks in the back. Okay guys, I took off the band and I didn't put any glue or anything on it, so that's how she's looking. I mean, what do you guys think? I think it looks nice. I think it looks really good. Like I said, I didn't really do much baby hairs. I'm just, you know, playing with the front right here. But I think once, you know, you wash it and put some conditioner and all that stuff, the curls will be even pop. They will pop even better. they're popping now. And then what I'll do, I'll trim like just right here for it to frame my face. I don't want to mess with it too much now, but you know, fluff it up. I think she's cute. Nice little throw on, you know. Nice throw on. You don't have to do too much. Like I said, I didn't even glue the sides down or anything. I don't even have the combs in on the side, so I think she's cute. What do you guys think? I love the color. I don't have anything like this. Okay guys, as I stated before, this wig is from Fabawigs, and I'll put the name on the screen. This one is 180% density, HD lace, 14 inches, and it's a 13 by 6 lace. Alright, so I will be sure to leave all the information on this wig down in the description section. If you decide to purchase this wig and you use Michelle20, you'll get an extra 20% off your purchase. Again, I would like to thank Fabahair for sending me out this beautiful easy glueless wig. Let's do the glueless test so you can see that it's not glued down at all, right? And then you just go across here. Just make sure your elastic is tight. And there you have it. This nice chestnut brown hair. I really like it. I really like how it looks. So I'll be sure to leave everything down about this wig down in the comment section. Thank you to Fabahair for sending me out this week, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. And just like that, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you like the wig. I really like it. It feels very good. The quality feels very nice. Again, I want to thank Fabawigs for sending me out this unit to review for you guys. I'll be sure to leave the link of everything down in the description section along with my discount code. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. But remember, before you go, please remember to give the video a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll never miss an upload, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.